What's up everyone, it's David. Welcome back to the channel where we make the world of crypto simple and exciting for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, today's topic is something you won't want to miss. Today we're diving deep into cross-chain bridges, the groundbreaking technology that's completely transforming how we move assets and interact within the ever-expanding crypto-verse. If you've ever felt limited by sticking to just one blockchain, this is your ticket to freedom. Imagine your Ethereum, BNB chain and Solana wallets as separate gaming consoles, each with their own unique games, features and communities. Normally you can't play a PlayStation game on an Xbox, right? The same goes for blockchains. Each one is its own universe with exclusive opportunities. But here's where cross-chain bridges come in. They're like magical portals or wormholes that let you teleport your digital assets instantly between these different blockchain ecosystems. Suddenly, your tokens aren't stuck in one place. You can explore, invest, and participate across multiple chains with ease. In this video, we'll break down why cross-chain bridges are so important, how they actually work behind the scenes, and most importantly, the steps you need to take to use them safely and avoid common pitfalls. Security is key, and I'll show you what to watch out for. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to navigate the multi-chain world like a true pro, unlocking new possibilities and making the most of your crypto journey. Why would you want to move your crypto between different blockchains? It might sound complicated, but there are some really good reasons to do it. For example, let's say you love using a DeFi app on Ethereum, but suddenly, the gas fees are sky high, and every transaction is costing you a lot more than you'd like. With a cross-chain bridge, you can move your assets over to other blockchains like Polygon or Arbitrum. These networks offer much cheaper and faster transactions, making your crypto experience smoother and more affordable. Bridges also give you the freedom to diversify your portfolio and explore new opportunities. You can easily jump into different DeFi projects, NFTs, or yield farms that might only exist on other chains. Ultimately, it's all about flexibility, unlocking the full potential of your crypto by accessing a wider range of networks, assets, and possibilities across the blockchain ecosystem. Let's get technical. A cross-chain bridge is a protocol, smart contracts and rules that enables token transfers between blockchains. Think of it as a digital handshake between two isolated networks, verifying transactions on both sides. Some bridges are centralized, managed by third parties. Others are decentralized, using cryptography and validators. Each type has its pros and cons, which we'll touch on later. Let's walk through a typical bridge transaction, step by step, so you can see exactly how your assets are kept safe during the process. Understanding this will help you feel more confident when moving your crypto between blockchains. Imagine you want to move some Ethereum over to the Polygon network, maybe to take advantage of lower fees or faster transactions. The first thing you'll need to do is find a reputable bridge platform, one that's trusted and secure. Once you've chosen, connect your crypto wallet, like MetaMask, to the bridge. Next, decide how much ETH you want to transfer. Enter the amount, double-check the details, and then hit send to start the bridging process. At this point, your ETH is locked up in a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. Think of this smart contract as a super secure digital deposit box that holds your assets safely while the transfer is happening. This locking mechanism ensures your original ETH never leaves Ethereum. Instead, an equivalent amount of wrapped ETH is issued on Polygon, so you can use your funds there while your original assets remain protected. With your ETH locked on Ethereum, a matching amount of wrapped ETH is minted on Polygon. This wrapped ETH is pegged one to your original ETH, like receiving foreign currency at an exchange. Now you can use this wrapped ETH within Polygon, interact with dApps, make transactions, and enjoy low fees. It's your digital passport to a new blockchain world. Time for a reality check. Cross-chain bridges aren't risk-free. Major threats include rug pulls and smart contract exploits, where malicious actors or hackers can steal funds. Even legitimate bridges can have code vulnerabilities that hackers exploit. Always be aware of these risks before using any bridge. How do you stay safe? Stick to reputable audited bridges and research their security practices. Transparency about code and team is key. Always start with a small test transaction before moving large amounts. Better safe than sorry. Not sure where to start? Here are 3 beginner-friendly bridges: Polygon Bridge, Binance Bridge, and Wormhole. Polygon Bridge is great for Ethereum Polygon transfers. Binance Bridge offers trust and security. Wormhole connects multiple blockchains. Always double-check URLs and do your own research. Drop questions in the comments if you need help. That's cross-chain bridges unlocked. We've covered the what, why, and how, plus security tips. Stay vigilant, double-check URLs, and use hardware wallets when possible. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more crypto deep dives. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the crypto world. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.